Tuesday morning, 1 degree outside. Weather Network, Matt Noyes, still very much of the colder air, still very much feeling like winter. That's not going to change over the next couple of days. It continues to have that wintry feeling all the way through at least the middle of this week. And then we're watching rain and snow and wind potential for the upcoming weekend. We'll talk a little bit more about that in our Insights video that comes up later on today. And see, yesterday's pattern predictions came out later in the day if you missed it, talking about the next 2 weeks and how things will evolve. Remember, it was pattern predictions where we first kind of eyed this flip to colder weather. Now we're eyeing at least kind of this easing back in towards something a little more normal getting into next week. All right, getting out the door, it is not normal for this time of the year. It feels like 34 degrees at the bus stop. It gets worse as the day goes on, as the breeze picks up a little bit here. In fact, some gusts today may go all the way up to 40 miles per hour, believe it or not, coming out of the west overall. And so that's going to make it feel like the 20s after school. Any after school sports, it's cold. Kids probably want the winter coat, the winter shoes as well. There's some rain and snow showers around this morning, actually mostly in the form of snow showers where it's coming down. You can track it all with our app. I'll get to that in a minute. Wind chill today as we get to the afternoon. Again, 32 at Boston, but in general, feeling like the 20s in the afternoon hours. If you do want to track what's going on right now, so many of you watch this video at different times of the morning. So rather than me show you an outdated live radar, why don't you go ahead and grab it on the App Store and search 1 degree outside weather, App Store and Google Play. You'll find it there. Overall, though, I can show you that the showers are going to continue to move east. We get through the midday today. Snow showers in blue, raindrops in green, and the mixture here and there across some of the higher terrain. It's not like they're heavy, but in northern New England, it is enough to put down a little accumulation. We'll look at the accumulation map in a moment. Notice we get to about 3 in the afternoon. I showed you it'll feel like 29. The actual temperature up around 41, 42. It's just super raw. You still have kind of this moisture that's lingering in the air for us today. Plus, you've got that increasing wind. At least we know a westerly wind tends to be a drying wind, which is why by 6 p.m. you start to get some pretty decent breaks in the clouds. And then that'll continue to be the case tonight. The mountains see the snow showers lasting longest, where actually a few flurries will persist in the mountains all the way to early tomorrow morning. And that's why when you look at the overall snow accumulation map, you don't see anything much in southern New England. You've got a coating in areas in gray, but when you start getting into the mountains, well, this is where we start to see 2 inches in the light blue, 4 inches in that darker blue. The darkest blue is where you get about 6 and even 8 in purple showing up. That's reserved for the summits, as you might imagine, but nonetheless, winter continues here in April, right? Overnight tonight, it's going to snap back down to the 20s on actual temperature. So the wind chill tonight goes single digits and teens. And that means you want to be bundled up, right? And get ready for the warmer stuff too. You can do it all from swag.1degreeoutside.com. That's how it looks for now. Thank you for making 1 degree outside a part of your daily routine for weather. That Insights video, that deeper dive coming up on the homepage, 1degreeoutside.com, and atop our Noyes' 1 degree outside weather app home screen in just a little while later this morning.